gang, we in this thing. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel where we heart all things art. And today I'm going to show you how to customize your own notebook and sketchbook, because who wants to go back to school with the same one everybody else has? Like, no, we don't do that. We're different around here. We are own people, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so for today's DIY, I'm going to show you how to customize your own notebook, sketchbook, binder, whatever it is that you have that you want to customize. We're going to do it today. So for this DIY, it's very easy. You're going to need a binder or notebook or sketchbook. It can be any type of binder. It can be the hard plastic kind. I'm going to do a notebook and a sketchbook today. You're also going to need your printed images that you're going to use. Scissors to cut your printed images, because of, ooh, don't do that. That's not safe. It's not safe. Anyways, scissors to cut your printed images, because how else are you going to cut them? If you're going to cut out your images into different shapes, I suggest using an X-Acto knife, which looks like this, and it's very helpful for more precise, clean cuts. So if you're doing different shapes, this is going to be your best friend. Also, if you're going to use an X-Acto knife, you also need some type of surface to cut it out on. I'm just using a clipboard because it was only $1. And you're also going to need a paintbrush or like a sponge and Mod Podge. I got the gloss kind because I like for my stuff to be shiny and look really, really pretty because I'm a girl. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to start off with doing my sketchbook first, and I'm going to use these that I already cut out. I use my X-Acto knife to do hearts, and they're all 90s cartoons. Okay, so for your first step, you're just going to cut out your images. If you want to do different shapes, remember to use the X-Acto knife if you have one. If you're not, scissors can work well too, but the X-Acto knife is just more precise. I'm just going to cut them out. And for my binder, I'm just going to do just rectangles and squares. And for my sketchbook, I'm going to do hearts, which I already cut out. Just cut. And you want to cut as much of the white part off of your picture. That way it just looks more cleaner instead of raggedy. Okay, so after you cut out all of your images, you're going to grab whatever you're going to use to customize. I'm doing the sketchbook first. And then you're going to get your images and you're going to lay them out and figure out like your layout plan, I guess, of how you want to do the images and organize it and fix it up the best way you want it to look.
Okay, so once you've laid your images out, next you're going to take your image. Well, yeah, you're going to take your image, your paintbrush, dip it in some water, dab it off, dip it in the Mod Podge, and you're going to cover the entire back part of the image of your picture. And then place it where you want it to go. And you're just going to repeat the process until you are done with your pictures. So once you've put Mod Podge down on all of your pictures, you're then so after you've put Mod Podge on the back part of you're then going to take your paintbrush and it's okay, some more Mod Podge, and you're just gonna brush it over the entire cover. So that spill actually worked out because it made less work for me to do. By adding this top layer, you're adding that gloss coat as well as sealing your pictures to the surface. So it's least likely that they're just gonna peel off and just come off.
Okay, so once your binder, notebook, sketchbook, or whatever dries, it's gonna look something like this. You see the gloss, you see the glisten, and this 90s cartoon. Oh my god, 90s cartoons. Nobody else has this. This is yo. Oh my god. But anyways, I'm not gonna be able to do the binder video today. It's gonna have to be a part 2 because I ran out of pictures to use. That's one thing. Make sure you have enough pictures to cover your surface, but it's basically the same exact process. But if you like the video, click the like button, click the subscribe button to join the Heart Gang. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, Heart Gang, we out this thing.